Leverage can turn a mediocre real estate investment into a cash flow gold mine, and most investors completely miss this. Here's the math that'll blow your mind. Two investors, same property, totally different returns. Investor A drops $200,000 on a rental property generating $20,000 annually. That's a 10% cash-on-cash return. Solid, right? Wrong. Investor B only puts down $50,000 and finances $150,000 at 6% interest. Same $20,000 rental income minus $9,000 in loan payments leaves them with $11,000 cash flow. But here's where it gets crazy. That $11K return on their $50K investment equals a 22% cash-on-cash return. Same property, same income. But Investor B just doubled their returns using other people's money. That's the power of leverage working for you instead of against you. But wait, it gets better. Investor B now has $150,000 left over to buy 3 more similar deals. While Investor A sits on 1 property making 10%, Investor B could potentially scale to 4 properties, making 22% each. The wealthy understand this principle. They don't tie up all their capital in one deal when they can multiply their buying power. Your bank account doesn't need to be massive, but your strategy does. Of course, leverage increases risk too. Higher vacancy hurts more when you have loan payments, but calculated risk with proper cash reserves separates the pros from the amateurs. Stop thinking like you need all cash to win in real estate. Start thinking like the investors who build actual wealth. Leverage isn't just a tool, it's the difference between building one property and building an empire.